It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Announcing bacon wrapped jalapeno popper chips. Alright, so we are going to try Lay's bacon wrapped jalapeno popper chips.
Daddy loves jalapenos.
These are pretty good. I don't taste the jalapeno, but the bacon sneaks up.
They always say jalapeno. Hey, Brittany.
You're trying those?
Hey, Brittany. Can I have someone's phone, Brittany?
They're pretty good.
Hey, Brittany.
Do you taste jalapeno? You taste bacon? What do you taste?
It's just kind of like a weird
Hey, Brittany. Can I
mixture of both.
have...
Emmy, you ready?
Like it's not hot and spicy, but it's not like
They're not spicy?
really bacony. It's just kind of like a mellow both. It's really good.
All right, Emmy, do you want to try a chip?
No.
All right, let me try one.
Can we play? Hey, Brittany,
It's kind of an odd flavor. I don't know that I really care for it.
Oh. Where?
I don't think I really taste bacon. I don't really taste jalapeno. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not really a fan of them.
It does taste like bacon. There's not really any spice to it though.
Hey, let me get a random stranger from outside.
So when you taste it, it kind of has a little bit of
Jason.
spice,
I need you for a
but then it
second.
tastes super good.
You got a second?
No.
Yeah.
Getting out of the house, walking around,
No.
doing some stuff.
We're doing New Food Friday.
New Food Friday.
So we're trying Lay's bacon wrapped jalapeno chips. Have you ever tried them?
No.
All right. Camera's over here.
Will be good or bad?
You have to taste it to find out.
Okay, Hensley. It'll be okay. Hensley.
It's there.
Little
It's not
bit.
too bad. It's better than lime chips. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, no.
Daddy.
No. It's pretty good.
Hensley, I need you. Hensley.
It doesn't have a cake or anything to it like I
No.
thought.
I think they got good flavor.
Yeah.
Jason.
It's not bad. Was that new?
I've
Jason.
never seen it before.
I haven't either.
Jason.
Whenever we find something weird, we try it.
Dang it, you're going to get me hooked on something else.
All right, Anthony, you ready?
Chips we have at our RV?
Hensley needs you. Hensley.
She does.
Come on, sweet. Do it.
Do you like them?
Help. Help.
Well, we got to make them under Walmart now.
All right, so is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
So is this like, then you have your new chips for the week?
We do new food. We have a video every Friday that's called New Food Friday. It's not always chips, but
That's kind of cool, actually,
yeah.
for lunch.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Double thumbs up.
Yeah, I'd say thumbs up for sure.
Thumbs
All
up.
right, Brittany?
Thumbs
George, you
up.
want to try it? All right, it's a chip.
That's funny, isn't it? Shoot it.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
What do you think?
Don't shoot in the house.
I need to do something like that. That's kind of a good idea.
Please don't shoot in the house.
What do you think of those chips? Are you trying to hide? We don't get to know what she thinks.
Don't